Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get rich easily while most of us stay stuck? Today, I'll reveal the real reasons why most people never become rich and how you can avoid the same mistakes. The mindset problem. The first reason is mindset. Most people believe that earning money is about luck or working hard at a 9-to-5 job. They focus on short-term comfort instead of long-term wealth. Wealthy people, on the other hand, think differently. They plan, invest, and take calculated risks. The second reason is fear. Most people are afraid to fail, so they avoid opportunities that could make them wealthy. They stay in jobs they don't like because it feels safe. But here's the truth. The biggest fortunes come from taking risks that most people are too scared to take. Number 3. Lack of financial education. Schools don't teach us how money works. Most people spend their entire life earning and spending without learning about investing, assets, or passive income. Meanwhile, rich people understand money and let it work for them. The fourth reason is bad habits. Many people spend more than they earn, live paycheck to paycheck, and follow trends blindly. Wealthy people track every dollar, save aggressively, and invest wisely. Finally, most people never become rich because they're comfortable with just enough. They fear change, avoid challenges, and stick to what feels safe. But true wealth comes to those who step out of their comfort zone and continuously improve themselves. So, if you want to become wealthy, change your mindset, educate yourself about money, take smart risks, and ditch bad financial habits. The choice is yours. Will you stay average, or will you take control of your financial future? If you want more videos on building wealth and success, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.